The true intention for inserting an exclusion clause in a contract is to limit your liability in that contract or avoid them completely. And so it's not just enough to insert an exclusion clause in your contract. I've mentioned earlier that there are things you must have at the back of your mind. You cannot unilaterally insert it. You must bring it to the attention of the other party. It must be clear, no ambiguity, okay? Because there are rules, strict rules that the court will do what? Apply when interpreting an exclusion clause in a limiting term in a contract. One is that a third party is not a party to that contract. A third party cannot bear responsibility, cannot also benefit from such a contract. Okay, then for the person who inserted that term or those terms that are intended to limit liability or exclude risk altogether, there is strict interpretation. The courts will look at the word and give it its literary meaning. So in the case of any form of ambiguity, it will be resolved in favor of the third party who did not insert that clause, which means in the case of any ambiguity, the person who inserted that clause will bear the risk, okay? This is where the rule of the contract preferring term comes in, strict interpretation of the clause. This is the Law Essence. Here will bring you premium legal tips to help you make informed decisions, live informed life, and discover the best version of yourself.